The Series 1000 was the first sound effects library ever made available on compact disc. 28 CDs of over 3,000 professional quality analog sound effects in a remarkable variety of categories. Have a listen. The Series 1000 sound effects library from Sound Ideas, the world's first on CD, is still the one that makes an unforgettable addition to your collection.